If your kefta ends up dry, crumbly or bland, this is why. Fix it once and never go back. First, we'll begin grating a whole onion. Yes, you heard that correctly. Grating will help to release the natural juices of the onion and impart its flavor a lot more effectively into the kefta. So, do not skip this step. Once we get to this last bit, don't bother continuing. I'll add a pound of medium beef to the bowl, and it's crucial to use medium beef as it contains a good amount of fat. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Arabian 7 spice, half a teaspoon of paprika, and 2 to 3 cloves of grated garlic. Next, add in a good amount of black pepper and about 1/4 of a cup of chopped parsley. I'll mix this well until it's fully combined. And you'll want to knead this mixture as you go, making sure the beef strands begin to appear stringy. Once done, we'll place onto a skewer and pre-shape our kefta. And a great restaurant trick is to then lay it on your board and roll it like so to correct its shape. This is so we don't have uneven kefta. I'll show that one more time. Now, fun fact, kefta actually originated from Persia, then was introduced to the Middle East afterwards, and eventually Turkey, where it took on the pronunciation kofta. And there's our beautiful kefta, ready to be grilled. We'll place on the grill, and if you don't have one, that's fine. Simply sear them in the pan, which is not traditional, but just as good. Now, grilling is just one of the 17 core cooking techniques that I teach in the Better Cook Academy. It's important that you understand the science behind each technique and when you should use them. In fact, one of those techniques is included in the free lessons, so make sure to check that out. Now, once the kefta starts to get a nice char on the surface, remove from the grill. And you want to make sure these are piping hot and dig in with some pita bread, which is a must. Enjoy!